Hey guys, how you doing? So today we're gonna take a trip to Hauser Lake from Spokane Valley. The plan is to check out a restaurant called Embers by the lake. I'm gonna grab a beer, some pizza. After, I'm gonna take the kayak out onto Hauser Lake and do some exploring. So guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun day. You're watching Adventuring with Braden. So Hauser Lake is located near the Idaho-Washington border, inside the town of Hauser, Idaho. The lake itself spans 625 acres and makes for a great place to fish, kayak, and boat. So I'm gonna first be checking out a restaurant located at the northeast end of the lake called Embers by the lake. You know, the first thing I noticed after arriving at Embers by the lake was sort of the artsy, hipster vibe. Some laid-back rock music was playing on the speakers while staff, mostly in their 20s, were serving the customers. Because it was rather a warm night, I chose to sit outside along with most of the other attendees. I chose to start things off with a nice cold IPA before digging into some pizza. And yes, I bought a pepperoni pizza. That's what my go-to is pretty much all the time. I'm a plain Jane. So I'm currently out on Hauser Lake. It's beautiful. It is 7 o'clock at night, so it's starting to get dark. You know, considering the fact that Hauser Lake is so close to the Spokane area, which is considerably, a larger metropolitan area, I was very surprised to see very few people out on the lake. I mean, I was one of maybe 4 or 5 people kayaking or canoeing on the lake. I saw a few people fishing. But overall, it was truly a peaceful experience where I was able to get away from, the fast-paced lifestyle.